everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as it is approaching exam season, I thought I'd show you how to make some of my favorite meals that I like to eat when I'm revising. All of these meals are filled with nutritious ingredients. All of these nutritious ingredients are supposed to benefit your memory, alertness, and health. And apart from that, they all taste delicious and are super healthy. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel. As always, all of my social medias are in the description box below, so if you want to go check them out, then please do. Let's get into the video. So the first thing you'll need is a blender, obviously, as it is a smoothie, then some ice cubes to chill the smoothie, some cucumber as it is very hydrating, some banana as it is high in potassium and fiber, pineapple for vitamin C and it helps fight against colds and respiratory problems, some spinach for iron, and then some almond milk for calcium, which helps improve bone and teeth strength. Now just put everything into your blender and try not to drop the spinach into the milk like I did. All of the exact measurements for this recipe and all of my other recipes will be linked in the description box below. And then your smoothie is done. It is incredibly nutritious, and because of the banana inside it, it helps fill me up all the way until lunchtime. What I like to do is sprinkle a few chia seeds on top of the smoothie for omega fatty acids and protein. So this is my absolute favorite avocado toast recipe. It is so delicious. Let me know in the comment section how much you love avocado toast because I am obsessed with it. The first thing you'll need is some paprika and then some Himalayan pink salt. This is so much better for you than regular table salt as it balances pH levels in your skin, helps to detoxify your skin, and contains 84 essential minerals required by the human body. Then you'll also need some chia seeds for omega and fatty acids, some avocado for healthy fats, some tomatoes for vitamin C, and then some lime. For the toast, I am using whole grain rye bread. This promotes weight loss, dental and bone health. It helps balance hormonal levels and prevents diabetes and cardiovascular diseases. Okay, so I'm just going to go in and cut up the avocado a bit before scooping it out with a spoon into a bowl. We are going to add the lime and the Himalayan salt to this and then mash it up with a fork. Next, take a bread knife and finely cut the tomatoes into circular rounds. And then I had a bit of trouble getting the avocado out onto the bread with a fork, so I used a spatula and then just layered all of the tomatoes on top, drizzled a bit more lime because I absolutely love the flavor of lime and avocado. I just think they go so well together. And then sprinkle some paprika on top, followed by the chia seeds. I honestly cannot tell you how delicious this is. It's really good for you. It's got a lot of fatty acids, vitamin C, and the rye bread has so many health benefits. So yeah, definitely make this. It is delicious. As you are probably revising, you don't want to spend ages making your snack, so this is super quick and simple. All you need is a punnet of strawberries, raspberries, and blueberries. Berries are great antioxidants, they are full of vitamin C, help lower your blood pressure, and they also improve your mood. Also, I'm going to add a dollop of Greek yogurt on top for protein, calcium, and healthy fats. If you're vegan, you can use coconut yogurt. All I'm doing is throwing all of the berries into the bowl and adding a dollop of the Greek yogurt on top. This is a super healthy, quick and easy snack that is absolutely delicious. I absolutely love this tomato soup recipe. It's super delicious and creamy despite it only having these natural vegetable ingredients. Obviously, you'll need some tomatoes and they are great for vitamin C, some basil, and basil actually improves your memory, which is great when studying. You'll need some onions and garlic as it boosts your immune system, some olive oil for healthy fats, some balsamic vinegar as it improves digestion, some oregano, paprika, thyme, and of course the beloved Himalayan salt. So just cut up all of your tomatoes and mix them up in the pan, add all the ingredients and add the spices and salts to taste, and And then just mix everything around with a spatula and try not to get it all over the table like I did. Honestly, I'm such a messy person. Cook this for about an hour at 180 degrees Celsius and then take it out, but be careful because it's quite hot. You could eat it like this with some rice or pasta, but I'm going to blend it up for some soup. This is absolutely amazing. It's super thick and creamy, so it will fill you up for a long time. And that's it for my healthy recipes to make when you're studying or revising for your exams. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, let me know in the comments section down below what else you'd like to see. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye!